Hey, this will be a video chart on WAMUQ, Washington Mutual Incorporated. I think the last time I did it was on this big gap down day here, and then I've kind of just sat back and watched and seen what's happened since then. And it's starting to make some progress. Obviously, it's not where I'm sure a lot of people would want it to be back up in this range before the big gap down. But from the shorter perspective of things, meaning the last couple of weeks, 2.5 weeks, it has been putting in higher lows, and if you've watched my videos or just know anything about technical analysis, you should know that higher lows are the name of the game because that's what gives you the ability to draw uptrend lines, and it has been doing that. So for the people that maybe have got in to kind of play a little risk versus reward somewhere around this area, you can see that the chart had a low here, and now it's slowly been creeping up and is currently above this blue line here, which is the 10-day simple moving average. And looking at the chart, you can see that it's been quite a while since price has actually been above it. You know, it struggled to get above it all the way here, and then obviously with this gap down, created a big gap between where the moving average was and the candle. But with the sideways action, it's allowed this moving average to catch up, and it's gone sideways now, and the price is above it. So on that note, the key thing, if this has any chance to recover really, is it going to be able to hold above the 10-day simple moving average? If it can hold above that, then you know this trend could keep on going, and after probably mid next week, late next week, the 20-day simple moving average, it'll eventually catch up to and get down here, and then the price will have the opportunity to try to get itself up above the 20-day. But if this uptrend is going to continue and really kind of offer any hope, then ideally you want to see the 10-day simple moving average hold. If it doesn't and you get closes below it, then in my opinion, the price will head down here to, let me grab this previous low down here, which is at 4 cents. You can see on November 8th it hit 4 cents, and then November 9th hit 0.045, so close enough. So this is going to be the absolute must-hold level. If it goes below that, then that's where it's probably going to put in a new low, and where that new low is at, I can't even tell from that. You'd probably have to go to the monthly chart. But the main gist of the video that I want to get across is we want to see this blue line hold as support. The bulls have done a good job of putting in higher lows here and now getting above it. Now it's a matter of holding their ground, not letting the bears push back, and at least maintaining this, and then over time, as this drops down and gets closer, getting above that. But like I said, if the 10-day can't hold, then in my opinion it'll head down to at least test 4 cents, and if 4 cents can't hold, then this whole downwards move is just going to continue, and it's just not going to look good. Now if this gets a surge all of a sudden, because I know the history of the chart, I've done it many times, and I know sometimes the price will just take off out of nowhere. The initial resistance that will need to be broken above will be up here based on the high of last time it tried to make a decent sized move. I don't know why it's doing that. We'll just draw it with the marker here. So we have this high right here, and this is valued at 0.077. We'll call it 0.078. So with any sort of surge, as the price has seen before, 0.078 is going to be a key level, and then up here at 0.096, which is where the 20-day simple moving average is currently valued. But for now, I think the main thing to watch for the people that are in this is this going to continue to put in higher lows, meaning is this 10-day going to be able to hold strong as support? And the longer this holds, the more momentum and the more strength the chart's going to gain, and the more people that are going to start to pay attention to it again. Because when it can, suffer such a big move like this and then get over their moving averages and maintain them, that is going to draw some attention because it is a sign that the chart's showing some strength. So that's where the chart currently stands. If there are any other questions on it, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money with our alerts. So I'd encourage you to head to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was WAMUQ. Thanks for listening.